you can go to SOFAMA risk register, SOFAMA hazards within a part camo, and you will get lots of blogs again that you can call on. There's also a blog of blogs. So there's a document which has got a list of, I think, more than 100 camo blogs, and you can actually access that document in the SOFAMA library area, and then everyone has got a hyperlink. So whatever subject you're thinking about related to the camo, we've typically written something about it. So you can have a look there, and maybe that will help or prompt you and give you some information. When we're talking about rationale for software, I'm pretty old school, okay? And so I like to be having an organizational system which is working, supported, for example, by Excel, and then to migrate to software. Why do I like to do it that way? Because if you go and sign up for somebody's software, you lose control of your systems and your processes, and you're basically changing your world to suit the software system. I don't like this. I've been involved several times on software implementations, some very big projects, huge projects with budget of several millions. But I still contend that the system should exist before the software. If you buy off-the-shelf software and try and make your system fit it, I propose that you will have some issues and problems. It won't be how you imagine it. And I know of one example. I was talking to a guy, just happened to be on an airplane, and understood that this guy was a safety manager, and I asked him, what system he was using, and I said, "Oh, very interesting. How are you getting on with it?" He said, "We're not." He said, "We don't use it." I said, "If you don't mind, can I ask why you bought it?" He says, "I didn't buy it." He says, "The accountable manager bought it. He went to a show, an MRO show. This was on sale, and he got all excited, and he came back and he told us he bought it. And he said, but it's completely inappropriate for what we need." He said, "And we spent about a year trying to make it work. And finally, we've given up and we don't use it anymore." So a salutary lesson.